Hi, so I'm going to do a quick video of running through how to make glitter lashes. Glitter lashes are amazing for Christmas, festivals, anything, or if you've just got a client who wants something a little bit different. Now, the quickest and easiest way to make glitter lashes is to pre-make your fans or use some really good quality pre-made, I would say 4Ds, no more than 4D. Pre-made fans, that's ours, that's available on our website. Now, usually, I would say to make glitter lashes, you have to have clear adhesive. Now, unfortunately, I haven't used this one for a while with being in lockdown, hence my horrible nails too. So it's gone a bit gloopy, so it's no good. But what you actually need is a clear, quite thin glue. So today I'm just going to use my normal black glue. But if you're going to be doing them a few times, it's worth getting a nice clear one. Once you've picked your fan up, you're just going to slowly drag it through the glue. Now make sure that none of these lashes stick together by using too much glue. Really slowly just drag it through. Also make sure that you're leaving enough gap at the bottom. You only want to do about 2/3 of the way down with glue. Next you're going to dip it into the glitter. Now the glitter needs to be super fine glitter, not just normal glitter. You'll have to look on probably eBay and get super fine metallic glitter. So give it a good coat and tap it off to make sure that there's not a lot of excess that's wanting to come off. And then the most important thing is that you're going to leave it to dry. You can't put this straight on the client when it's wet, because what would happen is all of the lashes will end up sticking together. So I normally leave them to one side, or I'll make these before a client comes in if I know that they're going to want them done, and just make a few, put them to one side and have them ready for the set. I'm just going to repeat the process so that you can see it here. A couple of things to remember is when you put these glitter lashes on, I normally only do a few per eye, and I always stick them to the bottom layer of lashes, never the medium or the top layer, more just to make sure that they're seen. If you put them on the top, they're not going to be seen as much. You can get as creative as you want. You don't have to do it this way. You could just do just the tips. You could do lots of lashes or not. And also remind your clients that they're probably not going to last as long just because of the extra weight, and also with the lashes being pre-made. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you do any, tag me in them. My next video is going to be about the 5 different Russian techniques. Any other ideas for videos, just leave it in the comments.